Welcome to Digisoft Services.
Here we learn how to use our favorite software named Tally Prime on cloud. We are providing a cloud named as DigiCloud as you are seeing in the screen. We are giving two types of connections. First one is setup connection client and second is real connection through which we run the cloud. Firstly, we have to open and install the setup connection client. After finishing the installation, click on Finish. Now open the connection file to run the cloud. After clicking, a pop-up will be appear named Remote Access. Fill the login name and password provided by us. After click on Connect. Starting your app will be appear and after few seconds a floating panel comes out on your left hand side. Here in a single click Tally will be open. For storing your precious data, we also provide a folder named as Data. In this you can store your data. When you want to exit from the cloud, just only click on Log Off button to come out from the cloud. Click on Yes to exit.
Thank you for watching this video. For further information on related topic, connect with Digisoft Services. Support number 965 087 1116965 053 1116.